Hey, good morning. It's Doug Smith. I'm out at Watercolor in Florida, and went out fishing off the beach with my son Mitchell. He's our realtor in Houston. We have realtors in every big city in Texas, and it was funny because you can relate almost anything to real estate. And of course, I was excited. He'd never caught a fish in the ocean before, and we're on the Gulf side, and he caught 2 fish, and I didn't catch anything. So I kind of looked at it as looking for leads, and it was not working, or drilling for oil, and it was a dry hole. So I'm ready to go to a different place this morning and ride our bikes about 2 miles to find some different luck. So obviously I don't want to go back to the same place where I wasn't catching anything. And I sometimes feel like that's what we need to do as realtors. We need to refresh our marketing plan. One of the neat things about our company is that we let our agents brand themselves and market themselves. And I've got agents, while I've been here, I've onboarded 3 agents. I've done templates in MLS for them up till midnight every night. We watch a movie. Nobody really knows, other than me telling you that I'm here, because I specialize in being a remote broker. And our agents, what I want them to be is the best remote realtor, so that they can be anywhere and still be able to show property by referring an agent in DFW back to their buyer when they're out of town. But I've been doing everything with no Wi-Fi on my phone because I have cell service. So I've done templates, MLS, cleaned up MLS, onboarded, gone to Trek. I've done everything, and nobody knows the difference. And that's really what the key concept of our company is. There's a lot of remote companies, all over the world, and we're just trying to be the best. So remember that when you think about interviewing brokers, whether it's us or somebody else, there's enough realtors that I'm going to be fine, and you're going to be great no matter who you join. But some people, it's like dating, and you just kind of get a head and a heart match, a little bit of both, and you go, man, this is what's comfortable to me. We'd love for that to be here at DHS Realty. And what we're going to do is we're going to specialize in showing you how to be a remote realtor and have everything on your phone, to where really you don't have to go to a laptop ever unless you want to, but it's always going to be a preference. It's not going to be a requirement. So today we're going to cut bait from where we were. Of course, Mitch will probably go back because he caught the fish. But we're going to go try a new spot this morning, and it's kind of like open houses. If they don't work, you might go back and do them again because it's a numbers game, but you might switch houses. One that doesn't have anybody show up, go to another house. You can always have open houses that you can find in the DFW area to do, and that's what we're doing today. If it was real estate, we're just going to do a different open house, and we're going to do it for about same time we'd be at an open house, about 2 hours, to see if we get anybody to nibble. So y'all be safe. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. We have training at 11, Brooks Kelly. It's all over social media. It's going to be recorded. It's virtual and in person. If you want to see and meet some of the agents in our office, check us out. We'll be at Truly Title at 2901 Dallas Parkway. That's in between Park and Parker off the tollway in Plano. And shout out to Callie Copeland, Josh